What's up, brothers? My name is Graphics and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to talk about the whole process of how I create my NFTs, how I mint and list them, to when I sold them, get the money into my bank account. And by the way, if you haven't seen my collections yet, I created the Pinehead Pixel Club collection and the Dorky Doodle Club collection, so feel free to check those collections out. The links are in my description down below. But first, check out this video because, yeah, that's why you're here, right? So let's do this. Alright. We're here in Photoshop. This is an example of one of the Pinehead Pixel Club collections. I made this little cute Pinehead over here. I just want to show you that I made separate layers for each of his outfit and accessories, just to make it easier for me to change his outfit in the future. Okay, so this is the little animation that I made. I made him go up and down. It's only 5 frames, but it's enough. So like I said, this GIF. This GIF only has 5 frames. It's good enough for me because I'm actually making these one by one. So yeah, I know there's a code out there where you can batch produce multiple of these images, but the thing is, I'm actually quite new to coding, so I downloaded this hashlib file and I actually understand it, but the file is for batch producing PNG files. I make I make GIF files, and I've been searching all over the place on the internet if there's a way to use the code for creating these GIFs, but I haven't found anything yet. So yeah, like I said, I'm making all of these one by one. I also made this PNG over here with the border and the stars, the rarity, etc. So when I'm done with all of that, I import everything over to After Effects to composite everything into a GIF. I use After Effects because I feel comfortable using After Effects to make these GIFs. Okay, so after everything's done, we edited it, we created some effects on it, and yeah, we ended up with this little cute Pinehead over here. By the way, brothers, I made this one in order to celebrate our Pinehead Pixel Head collection launch. Yes, it's our first NFT here. Well, actually, it's our second NFT because our first edition is actually the first edition, and this one's a special edition. Yes, I know. I'm selling this for 1 Ethereum. It's a bit pricey, but it's also my very first NFT on this platform, and I've put a lot of energy into this one. It's my precious, it's my baby, so I have a special place in my heart for this one. If there's someone out there who wants to buy it, feel free. Sharing my passion with you is all what my work is about.
Suddenly, pineapples.
Okay, anyway, let's go over to the next step. We're going to mint one. For that, we go to create. We're going to upload our newly made Pinehead that I actually already uploaded, but for this video's sake, I'm going to do it again. Okay, we need to add a name. I'm gonna call him Pinehead Test. Okay, you can add all these other attributes. You can add a link, add a description, properties, like background, what color background, etc. And I want to talk about this over here. As you can see, you can only add one. I'm clicking on it, but it doesn't allow me to add multiple additions. You can either click on polygon, and then as you can see, you can type whatever number you want. Okay, we're not gonna use that, but you can also use the Ethereum blockchain, but in order to use it, you need to use this code, what I'm gonna place on screen right now, and copy paste it at the end of the browser link like I'm going to do now. Okay, you do have to refresh the page. That means you need to do that before adding the name and description, etc., because otherwise you have to do it all over again. And now here, this part, as you can see, I can click on it. Like now you can like make a gazillion, a million, gazillion, trillion. Anyway, let's say you make 100, but that means you have to sell them 100 times. I'm going to show you what I'm talking about later in the video, but we're gonna do like 5 for now. Now when everything's done, you just hit create. Okay, the thing that I was talking about earlier where you can upload like 100 of these editions, and I said then you have to sell them 100 times. Well, this is what I meant. I made 5 editions. That means I have to click on this sell button over here 5 times. And keep in mind, at quantity, don't put 5. Like, don't put the amount of additions that you've created. Just put 1, put an amount, let's say 1 Ethereum, and then click on post your listing. Okay, so listen closely, guys. If this is your first time on Opensea and you're trying to sell on the Ethereum blockchain, you're gonna have to pay an initial one-time gas fee. The first one is a bit pricey, but it all depends on the gas, what it is at that moment. Yeah, I paid like 60, but after a minute or so, it jumped all the way to 100 and 200. Yeah, so you gotta wait for the gas to drop. But at the second one, where you have to approve the token, you have to pay a gas for like $10-12. It's going to be a lot lower than the first one. Keep in mind, guys, you do have to have more than enough Ethereum on your account in your wallet, because there's a chance you might lose it all. Like, let's say you see the gas fee is like $50 and then you only have $50, exactly $50. Then you press sign, and then at that exact moment the gas just goes to 51. You're going to lose the 50. It didn't happen to me, but I saw a few videos where it did happen to some people. So I'm just warning you guys. Just have more than enough Ethereum in your wallet. After you've done it, you don't have to do it again, and you can mint and list as many as you want. Now let's talk about the final step. That's whenever your NFT gets sold. Here on NFT showroom, the money goes to your wallet, and from your wallet you can send it to your Hive wallet. Like here, let me show you really quick. Yeah, all you gotta do on NFT showroom is click on withdraw, then it goes to your like here, your keychain, your Hive keychain, and from here, or let's say Ethereum, most people are used to working with Ethereum, we're going to use our MetaMask wallet to send our funds to the marketplace and then sell it for US dollar or euro to a fiat currency. Okay, so now we're going to sell our Ethereum funds or Hive funds, whatever token you're working with. This is the Bittrex marketplace. By the way, guys, don't worry, I'm going to add all the links in my description. So when you've added your funds over here, you gotta sell them for US dollars, Bitcoins, whatever. But if you want the money into your bank account so you can buy a Ferrari or whatever, you have to sell it for US dollars, and after it's sold, you can send the money to your US dollar or euro bank account. For instance, I'm going to show you the Bitcoin US dollar marketplace where I'm going to sell my Bitcoin for US dollars. I'm not going to do that because I'm holding my Bitcoins for now because, wow, Bitcoin's going super low. So yeah, sell high, buy low, that's our motto. I'm starting to wrap over here, and that's not what the video is about. So here on the right side, you can basically see the amount of Bitcoin that I own here on this website. All you gotta do is just put your amount. If you want to sell it quickly, go to market, put your amount, just pressing numbers over here, put your amount, click on place sell order, and boom, your Bitcoin sold for US dollars. Go to your holdings over here, click on withdraw, and then a whole sheet of information of your bank account will appear. Confirm it, and your NFT money is in your bank account. Anyway, guys, if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to punch the like button and subscribe if you haven't already, because that would be helpful for me. Happy NFTing, brothers. Ciao!